Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a welcome message and reply button on Messenger. First, choose the page that you want to set up, then click on Manage. Go to Others Reply. Click on Inbox Setup. Scroll down to this section. You need to choose between Get Started button or Reply button on Messenger. Okay, so I will start with Get Started button. Basically, what you need to do here is set up a welcome message and set up an auto reply keyword and also the response message for that keyword. For example, for the welcome message, I set up hi and then I insert a name in the bracket to insert customer's name. Welcome to our shop, and then you also can turn it on or turn it off to show your item list along with your welcome message. If you have the photo, you also can attach the photo here on your right hand side. Scroll down to here. You can set up a keyword, for example, contact or opening hours, then the response message for that keyword, for example, contact, and then I complete my response message will be Facebook page Funny Shop, Instagram Funny Shop official, opening hours, open every day 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Feel free to contact us anytime. Once you are done, you need to click on save here. Then I will switch to the messengers to see how it looks like in Messenger. Okay. Now I've switched to Messenger. First, I need to search for my page. So now you can see the Get Started button will be shown like this. Once you click on Get Started, the welcome message will be shown accompanied by the item list because you enable the item list to turn on. And also here is the auto reply keyword that we already set up, the contact. Then the response message for the contacts will be shown like this. For open hours, the response message for opening hours will be shown. So now I will switch back to Kaojao to show you how to set up the reply button on Messenger. To set up the reply button on Messenger, you need to make sure that you turn off the Get Started button. You scroll down here, and then you will see the Get Started button section. You need to turn it off. Okay, so let's getting set up for the reply button on Messenger. Actually, it's quite the same as when you set up the auto reply here. Okay, so I will click on Add button. Contact, and Facebook page, and also you can add additional info, for example, text and image, item list, item info, welcome message. I'll show you one more example. For example, item list, you want your customers to click this button and to show the item list. Then I will insert the item list. Once you are done, don't forget to click on save. Now I will switch back to Messenger to see how it looks like on Messenger. Now I'm on Messenger. First, you need to search for your page. As you can see, there's no Get Started button anymore, but they have the reply button on Messenger that we already just set up instead. If you click, the response message that we have just set up will be sent back to customers here. For the item list, I also insert the additional info to show the item list to customers like this. So the customers can click on and buy or can see the description. That's all for this video.